how to remove someone from a photo on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can easily remove someone from a photo on iPhone. So let's dive right in. However, you cannot do it from your Photos app. You'll need to go to your Google Photos. So open up your Google Photos and then choose the photo from which you want to remove someone. So I have chosen this photo and you can see blurry people on the back. I want to remove it. So what I need to do is I'll see edit option on the bottom, tap on it, and then uh, now there is magic eraser option, tap on it, and then you'll need to circle or brush to erase. So what you need to do is just tap on the person that you want to erase and then just like cover it with the brush. And you can do it all over and then hit done. And there you go, the person has been removed. It's as simple as that. Just hit save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.